All right, welcome back. Again, we are on 216 still. I just moved down the page a little bit. We're looking at 1 through 9 on page 216, chapter 5, lesson 4. Okay, number 1 says multiply to list the next 5 multiples of 4. So they did the first one for us. 1 times 4 is 4. Then 2 times 4 is 8. 3 times 4 is 12. 4 times 4 is 16. 5 times 4 is 20. And 6 times 4 is 24. So that's done. Okay, number 2. Now the directions say, is the number a factor of 6? Remember, this is important to be able to distinguish the difference between factors and multiples. Okay, because we're going to be talking a lot about factors and multiples. The easiest way I can think of to remember is I always remember by factors are few, multiples are many. Now, what that means is, for factors, there's only a few numbers that can multiply together to get any particular number. Okay, for example, if we look at 2 right here, the factors of 3 are only 1 times 3. That's the only thing you can multiply together to get 3. So there's only a few of them. There's only a few factors for any given number. Multiples, on the other hand, I could count. Multiples just means counting by that number. So I could count by 3s all day long. So going back to our number 2 example, the factors of 3 are only 1 and 3. The multiples of 3, 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, 27. I could go on and on and on and on and on. Okay? So, multiples are many. There's as many as you want. As long as you keep counting, you can have more multiples. But factors, there's only a few. They're limited. There's only a few of them. 3 only has 2 factors, 1 and 3. So, is the number a factor of 6? Okay. So, is 3 a factor of 6? Meaning 6 is the number we're looking at. Can we multiply anything with 3 to get 6? Well, yeah, we can do 3 times 2. So yes, 3 is a factor of 6. Is 6 a factor of 6? Well, can I multiply 6 by anything to get 6? Well, yeah, I can do 6 times 1. Here, let me start erasing. Getting a little crowded. Okay. So, this is also a yes. 16. Now, can I multiply 16 times a number and get 6? Not any whole number. I'd have to multiply by a fractional number or decimal. So, no. Okay, what about 18? Can I multiply 18 times a number to get 6? No, again. Okay, so now let's look at the next 3. I'm going to do some erasing, get rid of some of this so we have more space. I may need some space up here. Again, you guys have extra scratch paper. I don't want you guys to erase. Okay, is the number a multiple of 6? Well, now we're looking at not factors of 6, not things we can multiply together to get 6, but now we're counting by 6s. 6, 12, 18, 24, 30. And remember, multiples are many, so I could keep going counting by 6s forever, right? Well, so if I'm counting by 6s, do you see any 3s in here? No. So that's a no. So ugly. No. Let me fix that real quick. Still not beautiful, but better. Okay. Do I see 6? Yes. 6 is right there. 16. Nope. 18. Yes, right here's an 18. So you have to remember, guys, when you're doing this lesson and homework and the next test, you have to remember the difference between these two things. Factors are few. There's only a few of them for any given number. Okay, for example, the factors of 8, there's only a few. 1 times 8, 2 times 4, and that's it. But multiples, so these are examples of factors. But multiples of 8, I could count by 8 for as long as I wanted to. Okay, I could keep going forever if I wanted to. So multiples are many. So remember that. If a question asks you about factors, you need to remember, okay, there's only a few factors for any number. If a question asks you about multiples, okay, multiples, there's as many as you want. You're just counting by whatever number they give you. Focus, can-do attitude, initiative, listen. See you on the next video.